This is a watch, a very expensive watch, and it is one of the most beautiful designs I have ever seen, which would give you totally different perspective on time. Since I saw this watch, I always was obsessed with making my own orrery. Most of the functional designs I saw online wasn't what I really envisioned until I saw that. That looks very promising. Printability of this model was a bit questionable, especially if we look at gears. So I redesigned them, took care of some friction issues which I was afraid this model would have, and printed all the required gears in double size, including that would be central part, which is responsible for the mercury. But when it was time to lay everything out, just realized something is wrong. Okay, something is not right. This is the mercury gear which drives Venus, which drives Earth, which drives Mars. Then through those two gears there's a transfer to Jupiter. But here's a problem. The rotational period of Jupiter is huge, like you see it's 6.3, while the rest of the numbers below 3. So, but we have this gear rotating small gear, but small gear rotating big gear. So as a result, that gear going to rotate faster. Well, I'm pretty sure we need opposite, we need slower. That should be the smallest gear of them all, but it is huge. Oh, I have to do some math. Well, if I'm anywhere to go with this project, I may potentially keep the mercury ring and maybe use a planet rings, although I will have to back engineer them. The problem is all my smaller rings which I printed, and I've printed a lot, right now is a bit of waste because it's all have to be recalculated. Okay, what have I learned from my failure? That I was looking at this model wrong way. It is not a model that one can build. This is an inspiration. I am going to use a lot from this model, such as principle of transitions, actual size, approximate number of teeth per planetary ring, and whole 9 yards. So as an inspiration is absolutely awesome. It's kind of sad that math does not adds up. So here is what I think what it should be. So we have, this is a huge mercury ring, okay, and this is a Venus ring. This ring has 240 teeth. Inner ring have 300 teeth here. So that small gear has 15, that gear has 30. So as Mercury rotates one time, small gear rotates 16 times, which rotate that gear 8 times. And 8 multiplied by 15, I believe, is 120. And if you divide 300 teeth in this ring to 120, you will get 2.5. And based on my calculation, the orbital period difference between Mercury and Venus is 2.55. I call it a close. So here's a problem. I never done any gear calculations. There's steep learning curve for me. So, but I think I will try to make two rings, see how they moves, and if it adds up, if it works out, I'm going to proceed with this project. So if you're interested, just keep tracking of it. If you think you can support this project, that would be awesome. I would appreciate any help I can get. Thank you very much. Bye.